Hey everybody, this is Amy with Mackinac Island Tourism, and I'm going to share with you my recipe for mint chocolate ice cream. And what's unique about it is I choose not to use chocolate chips, but instead a very unique ingredient found right here on Mackinac Island. So follow along, I'm going to share the ingredients, I'm going to share the process, I'm going to have some really great ice cream. And then during this year's Fudge Festival, we hope you'll share with us your unique recipes using Mackinac Island fudge. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see you soon.
The first thing you'll want to do is gather your ingredients. This particular recipe calls for a very simple list of ingredients, only 7 items, including the Mackinac Island fudge. And never fear, at the end of the video, I'll show you a list so you won't forget a thing. The very first step is to combine all ingredients except the Mackinac Island fudge, mix that together in a bowl, and put it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours, 2 to 4 hours, somewhere in between there, just to get it chilled. Next thing you do after it's chilled is you'll simply pour it into your ice cream maker and let it begin to solidify. While the ice cream maker is doing its thing, what you'll want to do is take the Mackinac Island fudge and chop it up into fine pieces so that that can be added once the ice cream begins to solidify. As promised, here's our ingredients list, which you can see includes just the 7 items that we listed before and all of the quantities. And the finished product is by far the best mint chocolate fudge ice cream you've ever had. Thanks for watching my video, and we hope you'll enjoy this year's Mackinac Island Virtual Fudge Festival. For additional festival information and to purchase your Mackinac Island fudge online, visit MackinacIsland.org. Thanks again, and we look forward to seeing you soon here on Michigan's Crown Jewel, Mackinac Island.